Hey guys, Todd here with RC Ohio. Sorry I haven't had any videos in a while. I don't know. I just haven't really been doing much running or much building. Not too much anyway. I just wanted to do a real quick short video, show some of my knobs that I printed up for the Axis rocket stand. I got a couple of buddies on I got quite a few buddies on YouTube, but I had a couple buddies that asked me to print them up for them, and I'm about ready to run out to the local post office now and get them shipped out. So I got 4 black ones that are headed to Maryland. They're going to Lance over at Crucial RC. If you guys aren't subscribed or you don't know about him, check out Crucial RC. He's got a lot of great cars. Really nice guy, really knowledgeable. Check him out. And then the other 3 black ones here are going over to a guy named Leland Carlson. He's out in Florida. He does have a YouTube channel. I have not. I don't really think he's got much in the way of videos just yet. But go ahead and go over there and check him out anyway. Any kind of support. You know, as a YouTuber, we all know any kind of support you can give to anybody is great. It might get them doing some more videos too. So I'll show you these knobs real quick, and if anybody's interested, let me know and I can make up some more. I'll show you what they're for, and I'll show you how I designed them to work. So just a minute. Alright, so these are the star knobs. We got 2 gray and 5 black. So what I did is I designed them with an inset or a nut trap down in the bottom. You maybe, yep, you can see that right there probably. Kind of a must-have if you've got an Axis stand with a pivot. I'll show you exactly where they're for, what they're for. I've got one on this stand right here. So there's the pivot. And I don't know if you could see, yeah, you can just barely see. The lighting's a little shitty, I apologize. But anyway, this stand is awesome. Anyone who has one knows it. I mean, this is like the best stand you could have for 5th scale RC. Hands down, I can't imagine anybody ever making anything better. But this is for this pivot here. I'm not going to loosen it because the 5 will flip over on me. But there is a nut that comes shipped on here, and you just simply pull that nut off, shove it into the end of that. It's a nylock nut, and the handle grips it. You turn it back on here, and this is now your adjustment. All right. Thanks for watching, and again, if you have any interest, go ahead and give me a shout, and we can trade information somehow, and go ahead and get them made up for you. All right, thanks for looking, guys.